にちは皆さん、お元気ですか? Hello, how are you? Today is the grammar video number 2 of JLPT N4. In the previous video number 1, part 1, we studied 普通形, casual way, casual form, and です. But today we're going to study about the questions ですか or の In the case of na-adjective and nouns, なの the difference between ですか no is ですか is more formal way and no or なの this is casual way. So we use among friends and families. This is the confirming question. It means I think maybe this is like so. But I'm not 100% sure. So I want to confirm if what I think is correct or not right. So I'm asking you in the form of a question, is it so? So this is ですか? If I ask you, もう帰りますか? It means, do you go back now? In this question, there's no particular my feeling. I'm only asking you, are you going back? But now let's see the difference if I say with this form, the plain form and ですか? もう帰るんですか? あ、もう帰るの? In this case, I see you putting on a coat. Oh, are you going? So, because you are putting on a coat. So this is the way, because I'm not sure, but I think you are going. But is it so? In this case, we use it with this form. If I ask you, 頭が痛いですか? This is a simple question. It means, do you have a headache? It's without any emotion, without any feeling. Just like a doctor is asking you if you've got a headache. 頭が痛いですか? Now, let's make a sentence using this pattern, ですか? And let's see the difference of the nuance. 頭が痛いんですか? 頭が痛いんですか? 頭が痛いの? In this case, I see you doing like this. So, I think you've got a headache. But do you have a headache? Is that so? Do you have a headache? Because I'm confirming if it is what happened to you. Do you have a headache? Did you eat them all? This is a question, but a simple question that I want to know if you ate them all. もう全部食べましたか? もう全部食べましたか? Now this situation. 10 minutes ago, the plate was full, but now it's empty. Oh, but did you eat them all? Oh, yeah, because I see this is empty. もう全部食べたんですか? もう全部食べたんですか? もう全部食べたの? Yeah, it's because I was hungry. お腹が空いていたんです。お腹が空いていたんです。Wow, what a nice jacket. Where did you buy it? In this case, oh, I see your jacket. It's so beautiful. I'm seeing it. So I wanna ask you a question. I wanna know where did you buy it? The words of the questions, for example, どこで? どこに? or いつ? 誰と? These kind of questions words and ですか? It means I wanna ask you, I wanna know more explanation. So this is the question to ask I want to ask you to tell me more details. This we use quite a lot. Anyway, these two ですか? No, this is colloquial. It means we use them in the conversation. but both are colloquial, but んですか is more formal, and の this is less formal. This is so casual way. わあ、素敵なジャケットですね。どこで買ったんですか？お、素敵なジャケットですね。どこで買ったんですか？わあ、素敵なジャケットね。どこで買ったの？わあ、素敵なジャケットね。どこで買ったの？ I bought it on Amazon. Amazon で買ったんです。Amazon で買ったの。Amazon で買ったんです。Amazon で買ったの。I'm gonna pick you up at the airport. About what time do you arrive? In this sentence, the question word is this one. 何時頃? About what time? This is the information that I wanna know. About what time? 何時頃? So we use 何時頃 and then the verb and ですか? 空港まで迎えに行きますよ。空港まで迎えに行きますよ。何時頃着くんですか？何時頃着くんですか？空港まで迎えに行きますよ。何時頃着くんですか？空港まで迎えに行くよ。何時頃着くの？ To whom did you give some chocolates at some Valentine? バレンタインに誰にチョコレートをあげたんですか？バレンタインに誰にチョコレートをあげたんですか？バレンタインに誰にチョコレートをあげたの？ Here, the question word that I wanted to know is to whom. So, 誰に If we said 誰にあげましたか? This is simple question. I wanna know the fact. To whom did you give? So this is like the policeman asking a question. So this is not so emotional. But if I say 誰にあげたんですか? And this is I'm so curious. Oh, I wanna know it. To ask for a reason or ask for the cause of the things. Then we ask どうして?なぜ? Or 何? And ですか? Well, this どうして、なぜ、何 These three means why or how come. But there's a small difference of nuance. But I'm gonna make a video about these differences. Anyway, we use with these questions どうして、なぜ、なんで and ですか very, very often. Because I wanna know why. So this ですか This is used so often in the conversation. And today I'm gonna use only どうして because still I didn't explain you about these differences. Why are you late? どうして遅れたんですか？どうして遅れたんですか？どうして遅れたの？It's because the bus was delayed. バスが遅れたんです。バスが遅れたんです。バスが遅れたの。Why did you skip school yesterday? どうして昨日学校を休んだんですか？どうして昨日学校を休んだんですか？どうして昨日学校を休んだの？ It's because I felt ill. I felt sick. 気分が悪かったんです。気分が悪かったんです。気分が悪かったんだ。気分が悪かったの。Why don't you eat breakfast? どうして 朝ごはんを食べないんですか？どうして朝ごはんを食べないんですか？どうして朝ごはんを食べないの？ It's because I don't have time. 時間がない。時間がないんです。時間がないんです。時間がないんだ。時間がないの。What's the matter? What happened? What's up? So these are very, very useful expression, right? So I want you to learn it by heart. どうしたんですか？どうしたの？ Because this means I see something has happened to you. It's so what's the matter? Is there something wrong? What happened? Oh, what's the matter? You are not so cheerful today. You look so sad or you look down. What's the matter? どうしたんですか？元気がありませんね。どうしたんですか？元気がありませんね。どうしたの？元気がないね。Oh, it's because I've got a throat ache. ちょっと喉が痛いんです。ちょっと喉が痛いんです。ちょっと喉が痛いんだ。ちょっと喉が痛いの。What's going on? Why are you crying? どうしたんですか？どうして泣いているんですか？どうしたんですか？どうして泣いているんですか？どうしたの？どうして泣いてるの？ It's because my elder brother doesn't let me his toys. お兄ちゃんがおもちゃを貸してくれないんです。お兄ちゃんがおもちゃを貸してくれないんです。お兄ちゃんがおもちゃを貸してくれないの。お兄ちゃんがおもちゃを貸してくれないの。Maybe it was a little bit difficult. Well, this form てくれますor てくれません You can watch my video 127, 28, 29, 129 of the grammar video JLPT N5. In this case, 貸してくれます。He lets me. 貸してくれません。He doesn't let me. I guess now you understand very well the difference between んですか or only ですか? This was the second part, but I'm gonna continue with third part and the fourth part because we use this んです so much in our conversation. Now a quiz time with 5 questions. This time the first one is gonna be the dictation in Japanese. But this dictation is at the same time the question. So I want you to answer it. And the last 4 are the translations into Japanese. 1番目、どうして日本語を勉強しているんですか？どうして日本語を勉強しているんですか？勉強しているんですか？どうして日本語を勉強しているんですか？どうして日本語を勉強しているんですか？ 2 番目。From here, translations into Japanese. What are you looking for? I'm looking for my keys. In this case, I'm seeing now that I see that you are looking for something. So That's why I'm asking, what are you looking for? The verb to look for or to search or to seek for, we say 探します。探します。And we've got two kanjis, different kanjis, and there's a little bit difference of nuance. And one day I'm gonna make a video about these differences. 3番目 Why don't you drink sake? Oh, it's because I don't like it. 4番目 Oh, did you get up already? 5番目最後です。What's wrong? What's the matter? Oh, my cat is sick. Today in the second part of です。But today the question form ですか? No? And also very useful, so useful expressions such as どうしたんですか? If you liked this video, please don't forget to give me a like. And if you didn't subscribe yet, please do it so that you can continue studying Japanese with me. And would you do me a favor, sharing my videos with your friends? That would be a great help for me. いかがでしたか？今日は、ですか？の、なのの言い方を勉強しました。このシリーズはまだまだ続きますよ。パート3、パート4とあります。ですから、ぜひチャンネル登録をなさって、次のビデオも楽しみにしていてくださいね。このビデオが役に立ったなと思ってくださったら、ぜひ高評価ボタン、いいねボタンお願いいたします。そして私のビデオをお友達に紹介してくださったら、とってもとても助かります。ぜひお願いいたします。では、また次のビデオでお会いできるのをとても楽しみにしています。ぜひいらしてください。じゃあね、バイバイ。